Hi everybody, Christina here with One Creative Direction. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a current subscriber. If you're not already subscribed, please show me some love and hit that subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hopefully everyone was able to check out the latest video that I put out a week or so ago. That was the special base recipe that I created a while back when I did my custom guitar. And so as a follow-up to the mixing video, I'm going to create this piece tonight and take you along for the ride. If you didn't catch that mixing video, I'll go ahead and put it in the description below. So be sure to check out that, and as well as all my social media. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hi guys, I just wanted to pop back in here towards the end, and once again thank you for joining me. And also I wanted to apologize for not having a good camera angle. I didn't realize until playing this back that the angle of the camera, you couldn't really see the top of the piece and see, you know, the swipe as I was doing it on the round. So I apologize for that. I'm still kind of working on the new layout in my studio, and I promise I'll have a better angle the next time I make a video. I did purchase a ring light, so we'll give that a try too. I think it's pretty bright in my room. I'm not happy with this camera angle. And then of course I elevated the piece up on that piece of PVC, which probably didn't help. So definitely think about that a little bit more, and again, my apologies. So at least here you're going to see the end of it. I'm going to pull the camera down and you'll be able to see the top of it. Down for a close-up here so you can see how beautifully this swipes. Please let me know what you think. I was planning on putting gold letters on here for the clock, gold hands. Yeah, like I said, I've done a few of these on a square, like a 10 by 10 and 8 by 8. And I did some 18-inch custom ones for a gentleman that wanted them for his garden. I did 3 18-inch, similar to this, different colors, white background, but I really like the ones with the black background. So I'll tell you the colors that I used. So obviously the Deco Art 24 karat gold, and I have found that it swipes beautifully. When you use it for a swipe like this, I always put it in the center and swipe down, and it always, like, it just helps. It like amplifies the swipe. So I used Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I used Pebeo, I think it's green blue. And obviously this is a bloom mixture. I used Anita's Metallic Fuchsia. I used Modern Masters Glacier Blue, one of my absolute favorites. And I used Pebeo Studio, I think it's Violet Blue. Sorry for the paint on my bottle. And then I used Artist Loft Black Flow Acrylic to swipe with my Arissa Rue swiping recipe. It acts just like Australian Floetrol, as you can see. I have never used Australian Floetrol, and I get these nice, beautiful cells without it. So please let me know what you think in the comments. If you didn't catch the recipe video for this black, my special recipe to replace pillow paint to do blooms and swipes, go check that video out. I'll put it down in the description. I'll put a link down in the description, and then I'll update the video with the dry result as well. But really, really appreciate your comments. Thanks.